The first thing that you want to do is get PayPal set up. Now, if you already have PayPal set up, then you can go ahead and skip this video. However, if you don't have a PayPal account as of yet, you want to go to paypal.com and then go ahead onto this page over here. Now, depending on the time you are watching this video, this layout might change slightly. However, it's all going to be around the same concept. So on the top right hand corner over here, you just want to click sign up. And then it's going to ask you to choose between a personal account and a business account. Now, the easiest way to start off with is a personal account, of course. However, if you already have a personal account, you can just go ahead and log in. And later on in this video, I'll show you how to upgrade it to a business account. So click on personal account and then click continue. And then all it's going to ask you over here is to enter all your personal details. So you start off by entering your full name, your first name, your last name, your email address. You create your password, you confirm your password. Now, I'm not going to go ahead and create an account here, because you don't want to be creating multiple accounts, especially if you have any, because PayPal does have limitations on how many accounts you can have, and you don't want to jeopardize that by creating other accounts, because it is a service that's going to be transferring money and they want to avoid things like money laundering. So basically, from the next step, all you really need to do is just follow the step-by-step instructions. It's going to ask you for bank details, register all your bank details, the account that you want registered to this account. And then it's going to ask you to verify information as well. Make sure you get everything verified, whether it's your email address, whether it's your identification. You just want to give them as much information as possible so things go through as smooth as possible to get your account set up. Now, you're going to see some information blacked out over here, so you don't have to worry about everything that's on the screen over here. What you really want to do next is, if you're logged into your personal account, if you already have a business account, then that's fine. If you don't have a business account, what you want to do is click on the settings tab over here. And then if you scroll down to this part over here, it says change to a business account. And what you do is you just click on change to a business account, and all you got to do is just press the upgrade button. And you want to start by entering your business name. So whatever you're going to name your eBay store. And then you're going to continue as normal and go ahead and enter all the information that's required. And then once you've entered all your information, you will have your PayPal business account set up. Let's go to the next video.